narinig na dito August 4 ako nagsabi, 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget. Hanggang ngayon, wala akong narinig na denial man lang sa previous chairman o sa previous members ng committee. Does this mean na hindi nila kaya i-dispute yung sinabi ko na 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget ever passed in the history of Congress? So I second that motion, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman, I am objecting on the motion. I am objecting on the motion. Chairman, we're going to invite them here. Are they resource speakers or they are members of the House of Representatives? Are we going to ask them questions? Are they going to answer it? We'd like to find out. Dari Bunuan from the Muslim.
Mr. Chair, you can treat Secretary Bonoan as a resource person. All about this.
Alright, sige po.
So, nagsisimula po ito sa hearing district. Tapos po, ito pinapadala sa mga regional offices for consolidation.
Correct, Your Honor.
Pagkatapos po, ipapadala to sa central office. Particularly sa planning office, Department of Public Works. Consolidate po ito, including all the regional offices, central offices. Expenditures program, tama po? Pagkatapos po, ito ipadadala sa at ang BBM po ang magto-consolidate nito. Ito po ay ipapasa sa Office of the President at aprobahan ng kabinete. Dito po nabubuo yung National Expenditure. Tama po yun. Pagkatapos po, ito po ay ipidadala sa Kongreso, House of Representatives. Tama po. Tama po yun. At ito po ay General Appropriations Bill. Tama po yun. At magkakaroon po ng mga hearings at magkakaroon po ng amendments. Errata. Tama po. Ano? Tama po yun. Based on consultation with representatives, consultation with the Committee on Appropriations. Tama po yun. Tama po yun. At pagkatapos po, ito ay aprobahan. Second reading. At dito na po magtatapos ang papel. Department of Public Works. At ng tama po. Tama po, Your Honor, sa House of Representatives. Pagkatapos po, pag na-aproba ng second reading, meron po small committee appropriations para po pag-aralan yung mga individual amendments ng mga representative. Tama po ba sa inyong pagkakaalam? Tama po, Your Honor. Pagka ito po ay na-aprobahan on second and third reading, po ay padadala sa Senate. Tama. Pagkakaroon po tayo ng BICAM. At yung BICAM po, finalize para mga amendments na pag-aagrihan ng both Representative, House of Representatives and the Senate. Tama po. 2020, 2024 at 2025 budget. Meron po ng malaki babago nasa budget na WH na isang na Kongreso. Tama po ba yun? Tama po, Your Honor. Patatandaan niyo po, gaano po kalaki yung mga pagbabago na yun? Dito na lang po tayo mag-concentrate. 2025 budget. Magkano po yung pinupose nyo at magkano yung na-aprobahan ng budget?
Natatandaan ko po, Your Honor, the expenditure program ng page 5 was 900 billion. What came out of the General Appropriation Act is 1.08 billion.
Meaning, gano'n po kalaki yung nadagdag?
1.088 trillion.
Gano'n po kalaki ang nadagdag?
The dagdag is 180 billion euro.
At sa nadagdag po na 188 billion, ito po yung mga infrastructure projects. Tama po.
That's correct.
Sa pagkakaalam nyo, saan kumuha ng mga program awards at paano nakapagdagdag ang House of Representatives at ang Senate? Ito sa mga galing po ba ito sa DPWH, yung mga programa na ito?
Yan ay hindi maliwanag po, Your Honor.
So ito po ay ginawa ng BICAM without their knowledge. So makakaalam lang po ng mga insertion na ito ay particularly yung BICAM, Senate Committee on Finance, and Committee on Appropriations of the House of Representatives. Tama po ba yan?
Well, as far as we know, Your Honor, that product of my company.
Thank you. Yun lang po ang aking at Mr. Chair, I would like to move that in order to clear up things, to clarify matters, to invite the chairman of the Committee on Appropriations of last Congress, the 19th Congress, and the chairman of the committee, Congressman Saldico and former Senator Crespo. So move, Mr. Speaker.
Second. Mr. Chair. Mr. Chairman. Before Secretary Bonoan leaves, I would like to ask a question. I'm supposed to ask this question.
Excuse me.
Yes, Your Honor.
There's a motion po.
Motion. I seconded the motion. I thought it was already.
But I don't think Secretary Bonoan will leave us yet.
Thank you. Thank you. I seconded the motion of the Honorable Erice, Your Honor.
Will you restate the motion, please?
Mr. Chair, I move to that this committee invite chairman of the Committee on Appropriations, chairman of the last Congress, the 19th Congress, para malaman po natin kung paano, ano yung talagang storya, bakit nadagdagan na may 100 bilyon at saan nila kinuha ang programa na yon idinagdag sa pantalang sinasabi po Secretary Bonoan na hindi naman po sila yung nagtay ang mga programa na ito. Alam niyo po, especially on flood control projects, kung malalaking proyekto ito, dapat po mayroong environmental compliance certificate. So, mahalaga na malaman natin saan galing. So, ang nakakaalam lang po yun dito, former Senator po at si Congressman Saldico, sapagkat yung mismong pagpuproseso ng mga insertions na ito ay nanggaling sa mga tanggapan. And I'm sure, yung mga opisina nila, yung staff nila, nila nakakaalam. Dahil sila yung nagproseso itong mga insert.
Mr. Chairman,
I seconded
I would like
motion.
I would like to second. Yes, Your Honor. May I? I would like to second the motion. I would like to explain why. You know, last August 4, I delivered a privileged speech questioning the, I think, mangled beyond recognition 2025 budget. And I was very specific on the automatic appropriations. Almost ang daming ginalaw. So hindi lang yung program appropriation, new general appropriations ang ginalaw pa yung program. In fact, towards my ending statement, I have said the 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget ever passed in the history of Congress. Sinabi ko yan. You know what? Nung araw sa time namin, pag may nag-mention sa previous budget, yung former chairman, tatayo kagad yan sa plenary. Magsasalita, question of privilege, individual and collective privilege, i-explain kung anong nangyari. Mr. Chairman, August 4 ako nagsabi, 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget. Hanggang ngayon, wala akong narinig na denial man lang sa previous chairman o sa previous members ng committee. Does this mean na hindi nila kaya i-dispute yung sinabi ko na 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget ever passed in the history of Congress? So I second that motion, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman, I am objecting on the motion. I am objecting on the motion. Chairman, I would like to know the reason why, because I would like to find out if we're going to invite them here, are they resource speakers or they are members of the House of Representatives? Are we going to ask them questions? Are they going to answer it? I'd like to find out.
Mr. Chairman,
Mr. Chairman,
Mr. Chairman, may
Move for
I?
a few minutes suspension.
Mr. Chairman,
Move to suspend, Mr.
there's a pending motion by Congressman Arrece.
Mr. Chairman, there's
Chairman. Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Congressman Erice at the floor, and I asked him.
Yeah, but Mr. Chair, I was listed since this committee assumed,
We recognize her first.
with due courtesy to the very quick. I just need to go for a personal matter. Mr. Chair, with due courtesy to all my colleagues, kanina lang ay tinanong ni Congressman Shell Jokno at ni Congressman Secretary Laila de Lima na hindi ba pangit na meron tayong komitiba and we might be investigating our colleagues? That's precisely the reason, Mr. Chair, why we are all here because of our oversight powers. Yes, tutumbukin yan by the third-party investigators, and if there are cases, let cases be filed against the personality. Pero ang punto ko lang, Mr. Chair, I am appealing to our members, huwag po nating ilihis na patuloy ito na nangyayari. Nagbago na ang chairman ng Committee on Appropriations, nangyayari pa rin. And tila ako, nung pag-aral ko ng 2026 proposed NEP, merong mga napasok na flood control projects na hindi nang galing sa baba. Mr. Chair, with due courtesy to my colleagues, yes, tumbukin natin later ang Committee on Appropriations, but for now, we have the officers that resigned. I'm not sure if it is already accepted, officials of the Department of Public Works and Highways. We need to know paano ito nangyayari. And also, Mr. Chair, if I move forward, the intent of this committee is to exercise of oversight powers to put in and instill measures para hindi na maulit. Instead of focusing on a single situation, as reiterated, as conveyed by my very good friend, Congressman Ungap, baka pwedeng we can invite them. We can invite a colleague who is not a member of the four committees. So the former chairman of the Committee on Appropriation is not a member of all the committees here. Pwede naman niyang imbitahin. Why do we have to put on motion? Let us not make the investigation personal. Let us all work together so that in the 2026 budget, while we are ongoing the deliberation, let us identify yung mga singit na flood control projects. Yung mga cat's eye na nandiyan dyan pa rin at hindi pa rin natatanggal. Let us do our job by putting a permanent seal to dolly to all these anomalous things. With that, Mr. Chair, may I appeal to my colleagues? Yes, let's invite the personalities mentioned. Let's do away with motions and divisions of the House because we are losing focus. Balikan natin, ano bang iniimbestiga natin? Na mapunta ang pera ng taong bayan sa tamang proyekto. Na mapuntahan ang investigasyon sa dapat na mga baguhin, that we have a new secretary, that we will be helping him, maybe put everything in place, all the safety measures, at yung mga admin orders, executive orders na nandiyan dyan, tanggalin na natin while we are all here. So again, Mr. Chair, may I repeat my appeal. The focus of our investigation is to nip the bud, putulin ang ugat para hindi na ulit tumubo. And with that, Mr. Chair, let's move forward to the interpellators that have signified their intention to ask questions. And I believe the Honorable Erice, as I earlier talked to him, is amenable to inviting a colleague. Kung hindi dumating, then let's discuss that. But is that the solution? Because any member of Congress will change. Any committee chairman will change. But if the root of the cause of all of this will not be nipped, paulit-ulit pa rin itong mangyayari.
Congressman Chanco, Congressman. Mr. Chair, yun na nga ang problema, no? Nung unang ginawa to, I was against it. How can we investigate ourselves? That is the primary question. So kung ang isang congressman, sabi nyo kanina kahit sino masagasahan, wala tayong sasantuhin, kahit congressman, kahit senador. Eh kung ang congressman hindi pa pwedeng maging resource person at hindi natin pwedeng patestify under oath, eh ibig sabihin sa usapang to, exempted ang congressman. So paano tayo mag-iimbestiga? Paano tayo? Number one. Number two, Mr. Chair, here is the US. Sinasabi, paano nagkaroon ng insert? Under the name of Congressman Saldico, ang insertion sa BICAM as proponent siya is 13,803,693,000. And we do not want to invite him as a resource person.
Mr. Chair, sorry.
Comsec, can you show this? Para lang sabihin
Yeah, Mr. Chair, with due courtesy.
Wait, I have the floor.
Yeah, i-correct
I have
ko
the
lang.
floor.
Yeah,
I have the floor.
No, Mr.
I
Chair.
have the floor.
Just to, on the
I have the
record,
floor.
on the record, Mr.
I have
Chair,
the floor.
we did not refuse to
I have the floor.
Suspend. Motion to suspend.